Hello and welcome everyone, Mr. Carman here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to check the engine oil level on your Mercedes Benz. So on your Mercedes, there are two possible ways to check the engine oil level. One is through the computer, and to do that, you're going to insert your key into position 1 and then hit the reset button 3 times. Once you do that, you're going to hit the up arrow and you're going to see this screen. And then you're going to turn your key into position 2, but do not start the vehicle. And then on this screen, depending on your Mercedes model, you will see the oil level right down here. So on my particular Benz, I do not have this option, so I'm going to have to go underneath the hood. So my ML550, I have to check the engine oil level underneath the hood. I have the M273 550 motor, and I'm going to locate the dipstick. On my vehicle, it's right here. So you can pull the dipstick out and check your oil level. In case if you have an E550 or maybe an S550 and you don't have the option inside your computer, then your dipstick might be here. It might be right around here, might be on the back or on the side. Just look around your engine area and you'll see either this color or a red color dipstick. So now I'm in a different Mercedes, and now if I put in the key into slot 1 and I hit the reset button 3 times and go into the screen, and as you guys see, that's the oil level. It's going to read it right there, 4.3 liters. So it shows the exact amount that's in your vehicle right now. And like how I just showed you guys on my other Mercedes, on the ML, that option is not there. But on some vehicles, you will have this option to check on your on-screen computer. But there you have it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy tutorial on how to check your engine oil level on your Mercedes Benz. And if you guys enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate you guys hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.